I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Zen and peripherals so everything speaks the same language. Update Zen firmware and install Zen Studio. This gives you the mapping tools and bug fixes. Once done, plug your keyboard and mouse into the Zen's USB ports and connect the Zen to your Xbox using the controller pass-through and console USB. Make sure devices are seated firmly. You do this because clean firmware and proper connections prevent recognition issues and reduce input lag before any mapping work. Now you configure how inputs translate to controller signals. Open Zen Studio, choose the connected device, and create a new profile. Map mouse X/Y to the right stick and assign keyboard keys to controller buttons or macros. This replaces controller inputs with HID signals. Adjust sensitivity, smoothing, and dead zones to balance precision and stability. After tuning, save the profile and write it to the Zen. You do this to match game feel and prevent jitter, so testing and iterative tweaks are essential. Finish by loading the profile on the Zen and testing directly in the game. Play a few consistent scenarios to evaluate aim and button responsiveness, then refine sensitivity and smoothing. Once satisfied, lock the profile and route cables to avoid disconnects. If the Xbox doesn't recognize inputs or you see lag and jitter, restart the Zen and console, try a different USB port or a powered hub, and reinstall drivers in Zen Studio. This troubleshooting step usually fixes recognition or latency problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.